Greetings my dear friends, and Trade bringing you another video. As always, we're trading today and I want to show you what you can achieve if you start doing this every single day. I want to show you how you can start making money without having to learn everything there is about binary options. There's a lot of information and a lot of nuance to the binary options. And of course, it's going to be helpful to you in the long run. But to begin to start making money, to start making you $100, $200, $300 every single day, you don't need all that. All you need is basic understanding. And I advise you to join my free signals group. You will find all the information that you need to start making $100, $200 today. So do that. Link is in the description below. It is completely free. You can join, you can observe. If you don't like what you see, you can leave. I don't hold anybody. And as I always say, this is completely free and done for people to understand their own strength. The strength is that you are able to make money on your own without having to go to your 9 to 5 and spend most of your day working for somebody for the minimum wage. So check that link in the description below, become a member today, and now let's jump into trading and see what we can catch today. Let's go. Okay guys, so as always today we are going to start trading with $150, 1 minute expiration time for each trade that we do, and of course we are going to trade on 30 seconds time frames. I like these settings. This is easy. This is making easy for me to catch profitable situations. Of course, it's not gonna work for everybody, so you can experiment with time frames. This is just the settings I use. Let's select some trading assets. As always, going for the highest payouts. Nothing new here. Select the highest payout because you want to make as much money as possible on every single trade that you do. You don't want to make put $100 if you have a 30% payout and only get $30, right? You want to get $87 from your 100 that you invest. So there we have it. We're just going to do a couple of trades, and we're also going to need an indicator. We always need at least one indicator. Of course, you can trade without indicators, but why make your life more complicated? So today it's going to be RSI with default settings as usual. All right, now we're all set and we're ready to take our first trade. This is going to be a shock to a lot of people, but actually I see that this is a buy position for us here. The reason is, a lot of people would follow this and think this is the historical maximum of the price and the price is gonna go down because of this strong push into the market structure. However, this is the burst of a new downtrend and I'm expecting the price to continue going up, and there was a lot of sideways movement, and you can see all of that on our side. There was a strong downtrend happening for quite some time, and now we're finally entering a uptrend, and it happened right after the consolidation phase. So this is what's gonna happen right now. The price is gonna continue going up, and I think we made the right decision here entering a buy position. So let's observe that in 30 seconds. Honestly, way less movement than I expected, but it seems like we get a win unless something unexpected happens. No, we're good. We get $280. This was a $130 trade, and thanks to high payouts, we are able to almost double our trading amount, which is once again very important. Now let's move on to Australian dollar Canadian. This is once again a pretty similar chart. Now looking at it, it is completely similar. So there's really no reason for us to play it differently. This is the exact same situation we had on the previous chart, except here we have a very prominent support level where the price is currently sitting at. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to place a buy position trade, and we're going to see if the price goes up. But you can see on every single candle that is present currently, we see long candle wicks, which is a signal of a strong support level or area around this local price action here. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the trading amount to 280, and we're going to take a buy position, as I simply don't see enough room for us to work with the sell position. So let's go ahead and place $280 on this trade and observe in 1 minute. Let's go. Ooh, this is not looking good. So this might be a loss. Whoa, wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is insane. I was pretty sure this was a loss, but I guess we take it, and there you go, the price goes up. And this was really lucky. This is once again extremely risky situation here, but we got the win, and that's all that matters. So let's go on and do our final trade on Euro United States dollar. And once again, almost similar situation here. However, here I see a much stronger reversal that is going on right now, and this is a sell position instead of a buy position, because you can see there's a lot of red candles building up and there's not enough resistance coming in from the support level. And I know it's confusing, but what I meant is that it's not pushing the candles back up, and there's no candle wicks on the candles that we're seeing. So there's no pressure coming in from buyers, so we are simply placing a sell position. And now let's observe the final trade of the day. This actually will put us almost at $1,000 from 150, so let's see if that's the case. Okay, this is also a little bit closer. 2 days in a row had very close trading sessions, but we get it. $974. That's how you do it, guys. And even though the second trade was a lot of luck, I want you to always remember that trading is a mental game. Trading is a knowledge game, but also there is a lot of luck involved, and sometimes you're going to be lucky, sometimes you're going to be unlucky. Not everything is calculated and not everything is predictable. So some things you're gonna overlook, some things you're gonna miss, and don't be harsh on yourself. Sometimes you gotta take a loss. As long as you money manage, as long as you're making sure that you're not placing on these trades more than 3 to 5%, maybe up to 10% of your balance, you should be good. And I want you to take it very seriously. I want you to be able to recognize the patterns on which make people lose money. And if you want to learn more about this, make sure to join my private trading group. You can find all of the information, and not only that, we also analyze our trades, our losses, our wins, so you will be able to understand how to avoid losing money and how to learn to gain money. So you can join my private trading group by sending me a message at ntrade_pro on Telegram, or simply clicking the link in the description below. There's links for every single group that I have, and all of them are free, so don't hesitate. Click that link, become a member. Why not? As always, I say, guys, this is completely free and done for you to understand your own strength, your own power, and start being financially independent. So if that's something you're looking for, look no further. It's right here. I hope you guys having a blessed day. I've had a lot of fun trading today, and now I'm going to take it easy. We still have trading sessions to go, so I appreciate you, and of course, I will catch you in the next one.